Hey guys, it's me back on Essentially, and today I'm going to be shooting a simple little tutorial video on how to make an easy paper Superman action figure from the new upcoming 2025 movie. So I think it's going to be out in July, and it's going to be played by David Corenswet. So this version of Superman I really like. It's kind of like, feels a little bit light and floaty, so we're going to be making a different type of Superman than we did last time. Last time I made one, it was like 3-4 years back. I think probably even 4 or 5. I'm not sure, but basically we'll be using the same materials, except we'll be using a stick figure inside. So sort of like this. So I've made 2 of these already. Now I need to make one more for the arm. Basically a stick man with legs, torso. I need to give him an arm, right? So the size is your preference. Just make sure that the legs are as big as the torso. And aside from that, yeah, just roll these white afros sort of like this. Make them really thin, because as I said, the new Superman feels kind of light. So that's not bad though, makes it more believable in my opinion. Makes it more super. Otherwise it'd be pretty similar to Hulk, and that would just be tank. And a flying Hulk would seem pretty weird. So a lightweight looking body would be pretty awesome for flight. So here's another stick. Now we'll be putting these aside for now, and right around there we want our hands to go. So let's just mark it first. I think a bit higher. Okay, right there. Now this is a lot of intuition. Like, there is no exact measurement I can give you. Depends on your preference most of the time. So yeah, just try it out. Try out different placements, and hopefully you'll find a good one. For me, I like this size action figures, so I'm going for this right there. So we are gonna need to bend the arms next, right around there. Also, again, more intuition. So subjective. Okay, I think that's wide enough shoulders for Superman. Maybe even a little bit more wider. Right around there. And we'll chop off some size from his hands because it's too big. A little more. Now put it back. And then close the top. Up there is going to be the head. We don't need this. Okay, so there's our stick man. Now the hardest part is going to be turning him into Superman, obviously. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin the decoration. Just a tiny more adjustment I would like to make. The shoulders are they keep expanding. They're supposed to stay still. Guess that's fine. Alright, now let's give him an elbow joint and a knee joint. These are not going to be that necessary for now, but I think it'll be easier later on. Okay, put him aside. Now let's bring out our blue, and I have to bring my pencil. 1 second. Alright, here it is. So let's work on the legs first. Actually, let's work on the body first. It doesn't really matter. And finally the chest. Okay, so let's cut these pieces out and I'll see you when it's done. So here are all the pieces you'll need for this craft work. I'm gonna take some of these. Probably don't need to, but I don't need a big chest, so I think this is fine. Now what I'm gonna do is simply wrap it around like this. Before that, let's add some design. We can do the details later. I'm really confused. I haven't made an action figure using this style ever. This is more like, actually I probably have. I made Terminators like this. Okay, so just gotta raise his hands. Like that. Now I'll quickly add these guys as well. Okay, I've covered up the stickman with blue pieces. Now next up I'm going to give him some lats, and then I think we'll design him, and to end things off we will add the red. So before we add the lats though, I need to make a couple of mini designs so the tape doesn't cover it up. Alright, that's that. Now for the lats, which is the wings muscles, it's not going to be visible from the back because there's going to be the cape, and therefore we'll be decorating only the front part. So it's somewhat like a jacket, like this. Make a piece like that, and then just plop them in there like so, and expand it outwards like that. And that will give you the illusion from the front of a rib cage, as well as the lateral dorsimus, or whatever they're called. Makes your character look more super. Alright, this might be a little bit too complicated for some of you, so you can skip this part. It's just an added detail, but I'd recommend you guys try it out. It's really effective. Look at that. Makes him look more V tapered. And finally, we'll be giving him a chest, which is just a plain piece like this that I folded in such a way that it will resemble a 3D chest. Now right around there, just to make it seem seamless, I'm gonna give him some abs, although the real Superman does not have visible abs through his suit in this version. So we'll just do a tiny bit like that, tape it, and tape it at the top as well. And once that's done, what I need to do is grab a bit of yellow like this and carve out a Superman logo. So I'll just do that off camera. Okay, I did the chest, and it was one of the hardest things to do. I also added the back plate so it doesn't look all bad, and the shoulders. So yeah, I need to fix that area. Something's happening over there. Basically a lot of trial and error. You gotta make mistakes to be able to do this step. Okay, it's not willing to just stay there like that, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of trimming. And that will do. Alright, next up I will be adding is the underpants and the boots. So for the underpants, we'll be using a bit of red April, and first up, just a tiny bit there. So let's take about this much. Alright, we can roll that like this. So we'll be taking a strip from the bottom in order to cover this area. Like that, and we'll use this top half right there. Alright, so I had to modify it a little bit again. I added a reformed chest and a new logo at the back right there. I think it looks pretty neat. It's sideways, reversed, but it is what it is. So one last thing I need to do before we end the video is, of course, make the head. Now, this might be the hardest part of it yet, but we will try. This Superman kind of reminds me of the Injustice Superman with all these lines and design. Take a strip, let's make it full length, and then I will just, let's see, I think it's not, yeah, it's not equal, so let's fix that. And now I'm going to roll this around. Alright, well, while it's flat, I'm gonna give him the design. There you go. So gave him the head protector, headgear, whatever that is. Gave him some hair, and just like that. Also, I added the collar, like from the Red Son Superman movie. I think a collar with a cape looks super cool. So that's why I think a Homelander struck as a really nice character design for most. Anyways, that's about it, I think. Nothing more to do besides fix the color. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, comment me down below what I do next in the next videos, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.